Hello, my name's Di Downey and I invite you to my next program called Headway. Why did we call it Headway? The content in this program is for you to make headway out into the globe, out into the planet, to spread your message, to change people's lives with processes and templates that I know that are working now. And I know that they're working now because they are mine and I have developed them and I tweak them every single day. And they are the things that I'm going to be showing you. I will not be holding back, so that you are clear on your message, you're confident about your message, you have a system, and you also have some background information so that you actually have time to be able to do this. Not only develop your business, but also develop those ideas and those processes so they are yours. So I invite you to participate, to be able to put your message out to the globe and change people's lives.